How to add Bluehost email to Gmail. Step 1. Open your Gmail account and click on the settings icon. Step 2. Click on See All Settings. Step 3. Open the Accounts and Import tab. Step 4. Hover to the Check Mail from Other Accounts section. Step 5. Click on Add a Mail Account. Step 6. A Gmail pop-up will appear named Add a Mail Account. Step 7. Enter the Bluehost email address you want to add. Step 8. Click on Next. Step 9. Select Import Emails from My Other Account option and click on Next. Step 10. Enter your email address again in the username field. Step 11. Enter the password. Step 12. Enter Mail, your domain name, in the POP server field. Step 13. Select 995 in the port. Step 14. Check the SSL and Label Incoming Messages options. Step 15. Click on the Add Account button. Step 16. After adding your email, select the Yes, I want to be able to send mail as option. Step 17. Click on Next. Step 18. In the next window, provide a name and click on the Next Step button. Step 19. You will be redirected to the Send Mail through your SMTP server window. Step 20. Enter the same information in the username and password field as before. Step 21. In the SMTP server field, enter Mail, your domain name. Step 22. Select 465 in the port. Step 23. Select the Secured Connection using SSL option. Step 24. Click on Add Account. Step 25. Gmail will ask you to verify the email account via a confirmation link or code. Step 26. Go to your Gmail inbox and open the verification mail. Step 27. Click on the confirmation link. Step 28. Once you are redirected to the confirmation page, click on the Confirm button. Step 29. Click on the settings icon. Step 30. Click on See All Settings. Step 31. Open the Accounts and Import tab. Step 32. Go to Send Mail as section. Step 33. Click on the Make Default next to the email address you have added.